Hey drone technology fans, Bill here. DJI Mavic Pro Freewell folding landing pad. Have that coming right up. As you know, recently Freewell sent me a number of items to review, and one of them was this DJI Mavic Pro folding landing pad. So without further ado, we're going to jump into it. Now, I'm going to show you how it came out of the box, and then I'm going to go outside and demonstrate taking off and landing the DJI Mavic Pro on it. So let's go right to it. Freewell makes a folding landing pad, which is something that's brand new, and let's take a look at it. This is the case that it comes in, and there's also a nice little pouch. It's a nice cloth pouch that will hold the landing pad. Now there's two sides to it. We're going to go ahead and open this up. You can see there's a yellow side to it with the directions on it, north, south, east, and west, and then there's an orange side to it as well. That's very nice, and it's very easy to actually fold up. You do that, it's folded up, and it's ready to go. There's the folding landing pad by Freewell. Okay, so we got to see coming out of the box. Let's go ahead and take it outside and use the Mavic Pro, taking off and landing. We're going to go ahead and test the folding landing mat by Freewell for the DJI Mavic Pro. So let's go ahead and we're going to start recording. And we're going to go ahead and take off here. Go ahead out and take it up just a little bit. It is a beautifully sunny day here. Okay, now it's about good enough. We're about 150 feet out, and we're going to initiate a return to home and land. Go home. And we're coming back. Let's turn it around. And it's right overhead right now. We're looking for the landing pad. Landing. And locating the landing point. There we go. Coming down. Looking good. Looking good. It is just an absolutely beautiful day here. It's probably in the 90s. And let's see how we do here. Just a little bit, tad of a wind here. We actually made it on the landing pad. How about that, folks? That was fantastic. So there's your Freewell landing mat, folding landing mat for the DJI Mavic Pro. How about that? I was very impressed with it. It is a compact size, and it does fold, and it folds very easily. And one of the things I do like about it, it does come in this nice sack that's in there. And I believe it's going to fit in a lot of the cases, and that, I think, is a problem with those spring-loaded landing pads. They won't fit in some of these cases, so that's definitely a plus. It does retail for $19.95 on Amazon, and I'll provide a link in the description. If you like the content from today's video, please make sure you hit the like button, subscribe, and tell others about the channel. Also, be sure to check out my Facebook page, where I do post daily updates regarding the drone and drone industry, anything DJI, Autel, or Parrot related. Also, be sure to check out Twitter, where I post regular updates there, and Instagram as well. Thanks so much for watching, and happy flying!